In today's fast-paced world, staying competitive as a business owner or entrepreneur means embracing the right tools to automate repetitive tasks, enhance efficiency, and scale operations. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 AI tools to use in your business in 2024. Up first, we have Hostinger, where you can build your online presence with AI. So whether you're starting from scratch or looking to migrate an existing website, Hostinger offers a reliable, secure, and high-performing hosting solution tailored for entrepreneurs and business owners. Black Friday deal. So right now, Hostinger is actually offering up to 85% off their hosting plans, along with a free domain for a year. So right now is a perfect time to secure your website hosting at an unbeatable price. Hostinger has their AI website builder. So even if you have no technical skills, Hostinger's AI-powered website builder allows you to create a stunning website in minutes. It's actually pretty insane. All you have to do is just answer a few questions, and the AI generates a fully functional SEO-optimized site for your business. Global reach and speed. Hostinger's global network of data centers ensures fast load times for your website, no matter where your customers are located. Plus, with 99.9% uptime, your site is always live and ready for visitors. Now, why it's essential for entrepreneurs. So for business owners, a website isn't just a digital brochure. It's a powerful tool to attract customers, showcase your products or services, and drive sales. Now, Hostinger also provides advanced WordPress tools, free SSL certificates, and daily backups, ensuring that your site is secure and optimized for performance. Now, a bonus tip is if you pair Hostinger with Semrush. So if you're building a website with Hostinger, consider adding Semrush to your toolkit. Semrush helps you optimize your website for search engines, conduct keyword research, and analyze your competitors. If you want to get started with Hostinger, we'll leave a link to them down in the description below. And if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can see that they're having their biggest ever Black Friday sale. To go ahead and claim that deal, just click on the button that says claim deal, and you can go ahead and choose from one of Hostinger's 3 different plans. There's the premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup plan. But if this is your very first website, the premium plan is probably more than enough. It gives you the ability to create 100 websites. You get managed WordPress hosting. It supports over 25,000 visits monthly. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, free pre-built templates, unlimited free SSL, free email, free domain for a year. It's really an insane deal. So go ahead and just click on it, choose plan. And lastly, all you need to do is go ahead and select the period that you want to commit to. So there's a 1-month option, 12-month option, 24-month option, and a 48-month option. So for this example, we'll just choose the 12-month option. And one more thing that we're going to do here is just go ahead and type in a coupon code. Just type in startup wise and click apply. And as you can see, for only $26.46, you can get a full year of hosting to Hostinger. Again, we'll go ahead and leave a link for Hostinger down in the description below, and don't forget to use code StartupWise at checkout. And if you wanted to get a free 14-day trial to Semrush, we'll go ahead and leave a link for that down in the description as well. OpusClip AI. Transform long videos into viral content. Creating engaging short-form videos can be extremely time-consuming. Now, OpusClip AI solves this problem by transforming your long-form videos into attention-grabbing shorts designed for social media. Here's how it works. OpusClip AI uses advanced algorithms to identify the most compelling moments in your long videos. It automatically clips, edits, and optimizes these highlights into short, engaging videos, which are tailored for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, as well as other platforms as well. Now, some features that make it a real game changer. The first one's the AI curation. This tool detects hooks and highlights, rearranging them into cohesive clips that are more likely to go viral. Animated captions. It adds dynamic, professional-looking captions automatically with over 97% accuracy. Aspect ratio adjustments. You can create videos optimized for different platforms, including a 1:1, 16:9, and 9:16 formats. Now, why entrepreneurs need it? If you're a business owner producing webinars, tutorials, or podcasts, OpusClip AI allows you to maximize the reach of your content. Now, if you want to get started with OpusClip AI, we'll go ahead and leave a link for it down in the description below. When you go ahead and click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and turn one long video and get 10 viral clips, creating 10 times faster. So all you need to do is drop a link or upload a file, and you can go ahead and get some free clips edited for free. Next, we have HeyGen, an AI-powered video creation for global audiences. This innovative AI tool allows entrepreneurs to produce high-quality videos featuring AI avatars, which is perfect for marketing, training, and customer engagement. Now, some of the standout features include AI avatars. So you can customize your avatar to look like you or choose from a library of professional designs. These avatars can read your scripts naturally, delivering a polished, human-like performance. Localization made simple. Translate videos into 175 languages with perfect lip syncing and voice matching. This makes HeyGen ideal for businesses with international audiences. Easy editing. Need to update your video? Just edit the script and HeyGen updates the video automatically. No reshooting required. How entrepreneurs can benefit. So for business owners, video content is a must-have. The localization feature is particularly valuable for businesses targeting global markets, breaking down language barriers and expanding your reach. Real-world applications. So imagine being able to produce personalized videos for your email campaigns or marketing funnels, complete with an AI avatar that represents your brand. So if you want to get started with HeyGen, we'll leave a link for it down in the description below. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started for free. They have unlimited video and no credit card needed. So be sure to check out the link down in the description to get started with HeyGen. Next up, we have AdCreative.ai, a high-performing ad in seconds. So effective advertising is key to growing your business, and AdCreative.ai is here to help. Features that drive results. AI-generated creatives. You can create professional ad assets for any platform, from Facebook to Google Ads. Predictive scoring. AdCreative.ai analyzes your creatives and predicts their performance before you launch, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Competitor insights. You can gain valuable insights into what's working for your competitors and apply them to your campaigns. Now, why it's perfect for entrepreneurs. AdCreative.ai streamlines your advertising process, enabling you to create, analyze, and launch campaigns even faster than ever before. Plus, with a Black Friday discount of 50% off yearly plans, this is the perfect time to invest in smarter advertising. Save time and boost ROI by automating the creative process. So by automating the creative process, AdCreative.ai helps you achieve higher ROI with less effort. Whether you're running e-commerce campaigns or promoting a local service, this tool ensures that your ads stand out in a crowded digital landscape. So to get started, go ahead and click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and see that they're running their biggest discount of the year, and there's only 14 days left at the time of recording in order to take advantage of that. So go ahead and claim your 50% discount now by clicking the link down in the description. NewOaks AI. Automate customer engagement 24/7. This conversational AI tool handles appointment bookings, customer inquiries, and lead generation around the clock, even while you sleep. Features designed for business growth. Automated appointment bookings. NewOaks AI engages customers through chat widgets or SMS, schedules appointments, and syncs them with your CRM. Omnichannel integration. You can connect with customers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp for seamless communication. Multilingual support. You can cater to a diverse audience with AI-driven conversations in multiple languages. Why entrepreneurs love it. NewOaks AI acts as a virtual assistant, ensuring that every customer interaction is handled promptly and professionally. At just $19 per month, it's an affordable way to scale your customer service without hiring additional staff. A real-world impact. NewOaks AI not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also increases your conversion rate by keeping your business accessible 24/7. So if you want to get started with NewOaks AI, we'll go ahead and leave a link for them down in the description below, which will bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and try it for free, no credit card required. You can go ahead and scroll down and just look at their plan and what comes with it, as well as watch another video demo here. So if you want to get started, click the link down below in the description. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a practical necessity for entrepreneurs and business owners looking to stay competitive in 2024. Now, each of these tools offers unique features that cater specifically to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners. So if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're going to get some of the best pricing possible by using these links. And these commissions really help to support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.